Have you ever felt the need to track the movements of your bike, car, truck, logistic, bicycle, shipment, or even a beloved human? ZASCO GPS is designed to support a whole range of applications, from pet tracking to sophisticated enterprise solution, so that you can access any necessary information from your mobile, PC or laptop anytime, anywhere, irrespective of whether you're a company or an individual. What's more, we offer a lifetime warranty on each of our devices to ensure complete peace of mind. ZASCO GPS provides the best mapping feature currently available on the market that uses the latest methods of geolocation and real-time data updates. The best part, ZASCO GPS offers a host of various analytical tools and reporting features that can perform an in-depth data analysis and produce real-time reports to track job performance, driving behavior, and much more easily. Now, managing even a fleet of vehicles will be super easy. Let's see Harry for example. He owns a logistics company and is responsible for multiple deliveries daily. He is always on the call, going back between the clients and his drivers to give their clients the exact information about the location of their cargo. The problem is that no matter how hard he tried, he cannot give his clients the exact location of their cargo or the current status of their cargo, because by the time he relays the location of the cargo to his clients, the actual location might have changed. This is why one of the leading providers of GPS vehicle tracking systems in India, ZASCO GPS, offers a cost-effective vehicle tracking solution for your hardware as well as software requirements. Our ZASCO GPS devices come with a supporting app that gives you the real-time locations and traffic alerts of your moving vehicles so that you can make rerouting decisions instantly and without delay. Our sensors also come with an inbuilt alarm that alerts you of any noticeable fuel drops, unauthorized ignitions, door opens and close, and helps you know of any theft in real time so that you can take instant measure to ensure the safety of your vehicle. But the good things don't end here. We also offer a huge range of products that will make real-time tracking accurate and easy. These include a water-resistant motorcycle GPS tracker that pinpoints exact location periodically, gives ignition status on demand and safe power consumption when idle. Car charger GPS tracker that doubles as a powerful car charger with dual charging ports, as well as an inconspicuous GPS tracker for real-time tracking. Fuel monitoring GPS tracker with real-time fuel filling and fuel theft in liters with accurate location, date and time. Get current location and fuel in the vehicle. 3G GPS tracking camera that saves real-time video and location. GPS personal tracker to get real-time location data. Also contains a geofencing alarm and thumb-sized emergency call button with two-way audio. And you can be rest assured that getting the real-time info of your vehicles on the road is now a piece of pie. Thanks to ZASCO GPS, Harry can now easily observe the status of all his vehicles in real time at his customized dashboard in the form of charts. He could also receive sensor information like door sensor, fuel sensor and ignition sensor to detect and rectify any problems on the run. Get in touch with one of our highly skilled GPS fleet consultants who will assist you in selecting the right type of vehicle tracking system to give a definite edge to your company's vehicle or your personal vehicle. So, if you're looking to reduce the misuse of your vehicle and ensure instant recovery in the case of theft, get in touch with one of our highly skilled GPS fleet consultants at +91 9868 090012 or +91 9311 368216, who will help you select the right GPS device for your fleet tracking and or other needs. Visit www.zascogps.com to know more about our products and get started today.